Hi, Anne here, and today's video is my fourth update for my Pan of Green Gables project for 2022. This is a Fantastic Ladies project. It started on February 13th and goes to October 9th, and there are 8 prompts based on, there's the number 8 because there are 8 books in the Anne of Green Gables series, and yeah, there's different prompts based on themed things in the Anne of Green Gables series. So, this update is very lackluster, but it is an update nonetheless. So let's get started. Prompt number 1 is hair as red as carrot, something red or orange. I picked this Revlon Lip Butter in Wild Watermelon. This is moving along. It is moving along. It is what I'm wearing today. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up because I feel like sort of bright pinks, my camera sort of pulls them a little bit more orange. I've tried to change the color today in my camera to hopefully pick the color up a little bit better. I'm wearing the lip liner that I picked in my lip project, the Color Workshop one, that's sort of like a fuchsia pink, and then I've paired it with this. I'm loving that combo. I'm loving like a bright pink underneath this, and it just gives it pulls the pink out in this color a little bit more, which I think goes better with the hair. I think the orange is a little too Halloween-y maybe, like the orange with the purple. So this is moving along a little bit better. So last update, this was 23.31 grams. It's now 22.25 grams. That's a difference of 0.06 grams. And I was able to draw a new line, albeit pretty darn close to the previous line. It's a little bit smudgy, but it was definitely lower, low enough that I could draw a new line. So I did. This is how much product I have left. It is not a whole lot of product. The goal is to try and finish this over the next June, July, August. The camera does not want to focus on it. So June, July, August, I think it's doable. I do want to focus on this, so at the detriment maybe to some of my lip project pan products, because I do just want to finish this one out. Maybe September, so like June, July, August, September. I think if I can get this done early September at the latest, that would make me very happy. Prompt number 2 is the Lake of Shining Water, something shiny, and I picked this Stila Magnificent Metals Eyeshadow in Kitten, and the goal is to use this 20 times. I have used it 10 times so far, so we're halfway through, so we're almost there. I hit pan on this, I think it was the last update I showed that I hit pan on this, so that's the center there is the pan. I like this. It definitely is a ba-bam kind of thing, so it's a statement, so I feel like it is a bit much to wear it every day, and yeah, it's a bit much for just daily wear, but whatever. That was the point. I wanted to wear it because I was sort of wearing this only on special occasions. And it's like, you know what? Every day is a special occasion. That's where we're at. A lot of these products, because I used so little, there is no weight change. So this was 8.43 last month. It's still 8.43, so that's a difference of 0. Item number 3 is Broken Slate, something broken or damaged. I picked the Colourpop Crème Gel Liner in Get Paid. This is looking real sad. This is what I have left on this. I don't know if you can see it. It's super skinny and kind of wonky. So yeah, not a whole lot left on this. I'm using it. I used it today, but I feel like I used so little of it because I basically 9 times out of 10 I just put it on the lower waterline over top a brown eyeshadow, so it's going slow. So yeah, this might not be done by the end of this project, but this definitely will be decluttered at the end of this project. I've considered just kicking the can on this one, decluttering it or moving it out now. I do want to use this over the summer because I do feel like for me it's more of a summer type product, and I don't really have, off the top of my head, I don't think I have anything else that's broken or damaged that I can put in this project. There's nothing off the top of my head. If something comes up, maybe I'll set it aside, but there's nothing I can think of right now. So we're going with this one. Again, there was no weight change on this one. Prompt number 4 is Gilbert Blythe, something with a word starting with G. So I picked the Essence Get Big Lashes Triple Black. I said I was going to keep this in for 3 months and then move it out. I'm just going to keep using this for now. Again, I can't think of anything off the top of my head to replace this with. I wasn't really planning on or thinking about what else I would put in this category, so we're just gonna stick with this for now. I actually like this mascara, it's growing on me. I did not like it before, I just didn't care for it. I mean, I still kind of, it's not the best, But I'm using a few different mascaras right now, and this is kind of one of my favorites. And I'm going to say a big factor in that is the brush. It's a natural bristle brush. That's a tongue twister. And yeah, I like the brush on this. I feel like I do get a fairly natural look with this mascara. It's slightly buildable. I'm wearing like 4 coats right now. I applied it earlier and then I applied some more just before filming. But yeah, I'm going to keep going with this for now. Again, maybe I'll look into my collection and see if there's something else I want to put in this category. But yeah, for now we're going with this. So last month this was 23.46 grams. It's now 23.2 grams. That's a difference of 0.26 grams. Prompt number 5 is puffed sleeve, something bulky or excessive. And I picked the Ofra highlighter in Start Inspired, so I'm kind of going through the Ofra products in this packaging because it's big. I had the River Bronzer in, and now we're doing the highlighter. My goal on this was 20 uses. We are at 14, so I have 6 more uses to go on this. I am wearing this today. I've been wearing this fairly often, like 14 times I've used it, and there's still no weight change on it. I use so little of this product and it is so beaming. I'm like terrified that I'm like gonna, distract a plane because it's so bright. It's pretty intense for my day-to-day preferences. It's funny because I feel like some of my highlighters are like super dull. Like they're like, it doesn't even show up. And then other ones are like this. I'm like, where are the happy mediums? Why am I Goldilocks? Where are the ones in the middle? Off the top of my head, I'm like, I don't really have too many that are like right in the middle. Anyway, again, no weight change on this one. It was 89.16 grams. It's still 89.16 grams, so difference of 0. Prompt number 6 is Green Gables, something green. Kind of cheating on this. This is a blue green. It is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in 12L. Again, moving along with this. I've used it on and off. I like this color. It's just, this is pretty old and I need to kind of try and finish it up as best as possible. I don't think I will finish this by the end of this project just based on the rate that I'm using it. I don't know. Let me look at my little lines. I think I have lines for this, maybe, that I have not measured in a while. Okay, yeah, we've got some movement. So I'm going to put up on the screen, like, where this was. I mean, this is not last update. This is in total so far. So like I said, it's gone kind of slow because I don't use it very often, but I do like it. It is dry though. Like it's definitely drying out. So yeah, this will be something that even if I don't finish it by the end of this project, will be decluttered out of my collection. So last month this was 2.59 grams. It's now 2.57 grams. That's a difference of 0.02 grams. Prompt number 7 is Matthew Cuthbert, something sweet. I picked the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Strawberry. I have been using this. Actually, I do need to sharpen it. It's a little rounded. It would be nice to sharpen that up a little bit. I could probably use it one more time before sharpening. I have been using this on and off. Let me go back to my weights or numbers here. So I was going to use this 20 times. We are at 17, so I have 3 more uses to go on this. Again, I don't know what I'm going to replace this with. I have to really look at my collection and figure out what could I replace this with. If I can't think of something, I'll keep using it. I just use it mostly as an eyeshadow base when I'm doing more of a pink toned look. So I didn't use it today. What I have on today, I just have 2 eyeshadows on today. One is Hazelnut from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and the other one is Hex, which is in my Panning Punk project. That's been like a go-to kind of look for when I'm trying to pan some of these shadows. It's just real quick and easy, and yeah. So this also did not have any weight change. So last month this was 14.19 grams. It is still 14.19 grams. So that's a difference of 0. And prompt number 8 is Marilla Cuthbert Cream or Liquid Product with Hard Packaging. So last month, or the last update, I was using the Juicy Pang blusher in Pink Guava, and I'd finished using it, but I didn't want to replace it just yet because I wanted to focus on my blush in my regular project pan, which it's a beast. I'm like, what have I done? I don't know why. It was moving a lot faster, I felt like, before I repressed it, and I'm slightly regretting. I'm not regretting repressing it because I feel like it's easier to use now. The way it was in the previous packaging, it was kind of like in a divided package, and it was, I don't know, I felt like I was scraping my brush. But yeah, I feel like since I've repressed it, it's like super hard to use. Like, it's super pigmented. I use just like the tiniest amount, and it's like super hard pressed. Anyway, wanted to hold off on bringing in a blush for a while. I'm now deciding to bring in a new product, and I am bringing in a blush. So I am bringing in the Merit, I forget the name. I think these are like the cheeky blushers or something, or cheek something or other. And this is in the shade Beverly Hills. I have 2 of these. This one is like a pinky, peachy brown, sort of like an in-between. It's a fairly light shade, which I think will be a nice alternate to what I have in my Project Pan, which is it's a pretty intense pink in my Project Pan. I think that's also what's making it a little difficult to use that blush in my Project Pan. So yeah, I'm bringing this item in. That's the only new thing that's coming in. I'm not rolling anything out. It's pretty much, again, not a whole lot going on, but there's still movement. Like, things are still moving along. So yeah, like, and things are working. Like, there's nothing here that's like, like I'm struggling to use. Like, that this was a struggle. It's no longer a struggle. Yay! So I'm feeling a bit better about this project. Anyway, if you liked this update, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye. The bluff is strong with this one. Say hi. Hi. Like, yeah, lady. I don't give 2 flying hoots. No?